Running out of things in this box, so this was a multiple unbox. I had 7 things in the box, and we should be down to our last 1 or 2 items. Yeah, last item in the box. This is exciting. This is something that's going to make the channel better. Plus, in my spare time and the wife's spare time, we will be able to enjoy this. So, let's get started. All right, so this is a dimmable magnifying LED floor lamp model HXT-PL8, and it says long life, 3,000 hours for the bulb, uniform light, and there is basically kind of telling you how many pieces it's in. Let's, before we get it open, 8-watt power, DC 12 volt. So there's all the numbers. LED, limited 2-year warranty, so that's pretty good. And there is your website, which was sportyjoy.net. Alright, so let's get this open. And we've got like a lens wipe there. This is by Lelife. User manual for it. Looks like it's going to be very simple because it's only 1 page of instructions. So let's see if yours truly can get this set up without any problems. So this is obviously the light. These are the sections. There's a little plug that will plug into this guy. So this is going to plug into the wall. Let me go ahead and get these things fastened. And in the future, most likely this will get used for product demos. So I have these lights here, okay, and I needed something that sits up higher, and this should actually help. But then there's also, hey, we do a lot of reading around here, and this house has ridiculous amounts of lights in it, but they aren't always conveniently located. So nor do they always provide you the best lighting. So this guy is going to help. And wow, that is one hell of a heavy base. So you could get a workout with this thing. And I'm going to go ahead and assemble. This is not the most ideal way to show you how to assemble it. I'm going to leave the plastic on here for now. So there's one. I might not be able to do what I thought I would be able to. Looks like I'm going to have to remove some of the plastic. It got all twisted up in here. There we go. So yeah, I usually like to take out the plastic completely once I realize that I'm going to keep something. In this case, I think I'm going to want to keep this. So what I'm feeling here is pretty nice. Feels like a solid frame. The fact that the base plate is nice and solid is also very impressive. And so from here, folks, all we've got to do is screw in the base. So let me move around some stuff here. This is like my workshop, which is sad to have such an expensive basement kitchen that is one's workshop, but hey, gotta do what you gotta do, right? Alright, so we just screw that in there into the base. And alright, so I'm probably gonna have to pick this up. So bear with me. Alright folks, so we have it assembled. We're going to remove the protective plate. And so just so you can see how well this is going to work, hopefully you can see that. It might be in focus, but that's not even with the lights on yet. Okay, so let me turn the light on. And on the side of the pole is a thing to turn the light on. So we're going to hit that button. And then you'll rotate the dial to increase the intensity. So wow, that is freaking awesome. Whew. Dimming it, and then there are different color modes, it looks like. So this is great, folks. I really like this. Hopefully, wow, I'm impressed. Sometimes I get really surprised by the products I buy, and this is one of them. So thanks for checking out the video. The link is down below. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.